Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where the Wi-Fi option is not showing in Windows 11. You can notice that the Wi-Fi icon not showing here, and even when you open settings and go to the network and internet tab, the Wi-Fi option is completely missing. Then don't worry, I'll walk you through a few simple methods you can try to fix this problem and bring the Wi-Fi option back on your system. So let's get started. Go to Windows Search and type Services, then open the Services window. Look for WLAN AutoConfig service, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down, choose Automatic, then click Apply. After that, click the Start button to run the service. Once it's started, check if the Wi-Fi option has come back. If that doesn't fix the issue, try the next method. Go back to Windows Search and type System Configuration, then open it. Switch to the Services tab and click Enable All, then click Apply. After that, restart your system and check if the Wi-Fi option appears after restart. If the problem is still not resolved, you can try the third method. Open Windows Settings, go to the Network and Internet tab, and then click on Advanced Network Settings. From there, select Network Reset and then click the Reset Now button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes. Your computer will restart and reset all network settings. In many cases, resetting the network settings brings the Wi-Fi option back. After restart, as you can see, in my case, the Wi-Fi option has appeared again and the issue is resolved. But if this method still doesn't work for you, then try the next step. Simply right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section. Then find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it and select Disable Device. A confirmation message will appear. Just click Yes. After that, right-click on the same adapter again and select Enable Device to turn it back on. Sometimes simply disabling and enabling the Wi-Fi adapter can fix the issue. Now check if the Wi-Fi option has returned. And that's it guys. I hope one of these methods helps fix your Wi-Fi issue and brings the option back. These solutions work on Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.